Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Kakao bank account. First, open the App Store or Google Store, search for Kakao Bank in the search bar and download the app and make sure it's the official app with the Kokora login. Once the app is installed, open it and tap Open an account. The app will ask you to sign in with your Kokora Talk account. If you don't have Kokora Talk account yet, you need to create one first. Next, choose the type of account you want. Most people choose saving account. Tap on to continue. Now you need to verify your identity. The app will ask you to provide your personal information such as your name, phone number and identification. Usually you will need a Korean ID card or password depending on your status. Follow the on-screen instruction carefully. After that, you will set up 6-digit PIN number or password. This will be using for login and confirm transactions such as something when can be remembered but it's hard for other to guess. After that, the app may also ask you to do quick login, face or video verification. This is normal and helps you keep your account secure. Once you finish all the steps, your account will be created instantly. You will get a account number right away and you can start using Kokora Bank for transfer, payment and saving. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.